Imagine, in 2025, you've landed a high paying, fulfilling job that not only makes you happy, but also opens doors to endless opportunities. This is possible if you tap into the right opportunities, build the right skills, and make the right decisions today. And that's exactly what we are going to discuss in this video. Hello everyone, I'm Diksha Arora, your interview coach, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will break down the highest paying jobs that you should be targeting in 2025. And I will also show you how to get there. By the end of this video, you will learn the top 5 high-paying roles to pursue, the best courses, both free as well as paid, to help you gain the necessary skills. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you're notified every time a new video is live, and don't forget to click on the like button if you appreciate my content. Now, without any further ado, let's get straight into the lesson. The first high-paying job role that we have in the list is of AI engineer. You're wrong if you think AI is just a trend. AI is already a $136 billion industry and is expected to grow to more than $500 billion by 2025. The average salary of AI professionals in India typically ranges from 6 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum, depending on factors such as experience, skill set, and specific role within the AI field. If you're interested in this domain, a degree in computer science engineering is usually preferred. Skills in programming languages like Python, Java, or R is required, and most importantly, experience with AI tools and frameworks is essential. Last but not the least, real-world applications, understanding of how AI works in specific industries like healthcare, finance, or tech is something that you need to work on. Now, here is a great course that you must check if you're interested in AI roles. Google AI Essentials, available on Coursera. It's a self-paced course and no prior experience is required to get started. The top Google AI experts teach this course. In this course, you will learn about generative AI, prompt engineering, LLMs, and much more. It's a paid course, and after this course, you will be eligible for all these AI roles. The highest paying job role that we have in the list is of business analyst. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of management analysts, including business analysts, will increase by 11% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than the average for all occupations. Not just this, but according to the World Economic Forum report, data and AI are among the top professions with the highest growth rate at 41% annually. The average salary of business analyst in India typically ranges from 5 lakhs to 13 lakhs per annum, depending on experience, location, and the specific industry. Entry-level positions may start from 3 to 5 lakhs per annum, while experienced analysts can earn upwards of 15 lakhs or more annually. To become a business analyst, you need strong analytical skills and strategic skills using tools like SQL, Tableau, and Power BI to analyze data. If you're interested in this domain, here is a great course that you must check out. Business Analyst Basics by Simplilearn. This free business analysis course will teach you the important concepts and skills needed for a career as a business analyst. By the end of the Business Analysis Fundamentals course, you will be thoroughly acquainted with the needs of business analysts, their skills and duties, the business analysis process, and the difference between a business analyst and a data analyst. Another course, which is IBM Business Analyst Professional Certificate, which is available on Coursera, is also a great resource. In this course, you will learn the core skills required for business analysis, including data analysis, process mapping, and project management. It's a paid course, and by the end, you will be ready to apply these skills in the real-world business environments. The third high-paying job role that we have in the list is of an HR. The HR field has changed a lot over the years. Today, HR professionals focus on things like employee well-being, leadership development, and improving work environments. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, HR jobs are expected to grow drastically from 2020 to 2030. In India, HR roles are in high demand, especially in tech companies and large businesses that understand the importance of their employees. And here is the expected salary range in HR domain in India. An HR generalist can expect salary between 4 lakh to 10 lakhs per year. HR managers can expect salary between 8 to 20 lakhs per year, whereas senior HR roles like HR director or VP can expect salary of 30 lakhs or even more annually. Most HR professionals have a bachelor's degree in human resources, business administration, or a related field. Having a master's degree like MBA or MHRM can help you reach higher positions. If you're interested in HR domain, here are two courses that you must check. The first course is HR Foundations by LinkedIn Learnings. It's a self-paced and beginner level course. With 4 modules, this course will give you a solid understanding of HR fundamentals, including recruitment, employee relations, performance management, and much more. The second course is Human Resource Management by TMU. This Human Resource Management course from Toronto Metropolitan University offers in-depth training on HR functions within organizations. It's a paid course and suitable for HR professionals and managers. And these are the topics that are covered in this course. Next up we have in the list is Sales Profile. If you watch Shark Tank, you will know that the most important factor for business success is sales. It doesn't matter how great your product is if you can't sell it. According to research, sales roles have remained one of the fastest growing job categories globally. Companies across all industries are looking for skilled sales professionals. In India, the average salary for a sales manager is 6 lakhs to 15 lakhs annually. Sales executives earn 3 lakhs to 8 lakhs annually, whereas senior sales roles such as sales directors or VP of sales can earn up to 25 lakhs or more per year. If you're interested in sales profile, a bachelor's degree in business marketing or communication is often preferred. Moreover, strong communication, negotiation, and relationship building skills are a must. You will also need to understand how to use sales tools like CRM software to optimize sales efforts. And here are two great courses to help you get started if you are passionate about sales domain. The first course in the list is The Art of Persuasion by LinkedIn Learning. It's a self-paced course designed for all skill levels where you will learn the techniques of persuasive communication, including how to influence others effectively and make a lasting impact in both personal and professional setting. And the second course is How to Sell Anything to Anyone by Class Central. Now this one is a paid course where you will learn how to understand your customers' true needs, communicate effectively to encourage sales, overcome common objectives, and build confidence to close deals using proven sales techniques. And that's it for today. Let me know if you want a part 2 of this video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more career insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye-bye, good luck, and keep following your interview coach Diksha Arora to excel in your career and ace your interviews.